Oh, it should be now. Oh, yeah!
Whoa!
Oh.
Woo! Wow!
And sound travels slower, so...
Oh my
wow.
gosh. That's amazing!
Stand by for the sound.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
So bright.
Come on. There.
Yeah, there's the noise. Whoa.
Sonic donut.
That's so freaking awesome.
Plume.
It's like I'm almost blinded from seeing it earlier.
All right, hang tight. You're gonna want to see the octopus. You'll know what I'm talking about.
About to go under stage step.
Nico.
Okay.
Nico.
Okay, keep looking in there.
Keep watching, keep watching. Main engine cut off, yeah. Oh, and there's
stage. Stage 2, hang tight, turn and burn. Started the turn and burn yet? No, not quite. Are we burning yet on the first stage?
First stage isn't doing RTLS though, right? It's
No, it's going on the drone ship. I don't see it burning though, unless it was just too dim to catch.
the haze isn't helping probably.
No.
It does help that it's at night now, so we can see it.
Yeah, we would have seen it by now. Somebody's dog here? I brought their dog.
They brought their dog. Don't punch her out in the face for us.
That's right, go get Diddy Beat it up!